Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel which is Tech Stack. So it will be my first video. So in this video I will showcase how to set up OBS to record your screen and along with your video on the bottom right. So I faced this similar issue, so I thought of that I should create a video which would be helpful for many other guys. So let's get started. So this is my screen, you can see. So this is the screen which is output. Basically this is what I understood, that this screen is for seeing that what output will be shown, right? So I'll start with initial steps. So first let me remove it. Okay, now I have removed everything. So this part you can ignore for now. So assume that this is let me show you the aim of this video. So aim of this video is to record your laptop screen along with your video at the bottom right side. I'm using my device MacBook Pro 16 inch, and the download link of OBS is this one. So I'll add these all information in the description. Come straight to the point. So first I need to record my screen. So for that, in sources you need to click plus icon, and now go to deprecated display capture. So you can rename it like screen capture. Okay, screen capture. Okay, to now you need to click OK. Now the important step is you need to click here and need to click on transform and fit to screen, right? So this will be your first step. Now the screen will now be captured by the OBS. Now the problem is that our face should shown along with this video. So for that you need to click on deprecated and video capture. So for now let's rename it like one. Okay, now click OK. You need to select your camera. Okay, now click OK. And now the tricky part is you need to drag it on the screen and position it like I am positioning it on the bottom right. So you can do same. So assume this black box is entire your screen, and the screen you want to capture will be inside this. Okay, now it's all done. So after that you need to click on start recording, start your video, and enjoy. I guess for the basic setup what I understood is this one. It can be helpful for you. If it is, then please like my video. Thank you very much.